So after discussion on the theory of catalysis, let us discuss very important feature of a solid catalyst. Let us discuss what are these features. The two features which we are going to discuss here, that is activity of a catalyst. Second one is selectivity of a catalyst. So let us discuss first important feature of a catalyst, that is activity of a catalyst. Let us consider the two figures here. In the first figure you can see here the particles in the first container. Here there are some particles in this container which is shown with yellow and blue color. So these are the reactant, and in this these are the container for reactant and these are the container for product. Now look at the product is shown with green colors. That is the process which is this is a reaction takes place without the catalyst. The same reaction when you consider in the second case, here you can find the yellow color and blue color are the reactant and this is the catalyst. The red color is shown as catalyst. And these are the reactant A and B. Here only reactant A and B are there. There is no catalyst. Here A and B and catalyst is present. Now look at the product here. When you compare the product here and here, you will find that where is the greater number of product here? In the second case. Yes. So what this figure shows that if the reaction is taking place with catalyst, there will be greater formation of product. Why? Because the rate of the reaction is greater here with the catalyst in compared to without catalyst. That means if a process is slow, we can accelerate the process by using catalyst. So what this shows that the rate of the reaction can be increased with the help of some substance that is called as a catalyst. So that is the activity of the catalyst to increase the rate. That means we can say it is the work of the catalyst to increase the rate. Same way we consider the two equation here. In the first reaction, that is hydrogen and oxygen combines and here you can see that there is no product formation here. But the same hydrogen and oxygen, if the reaction takes place with the presence of platinum, we can see that there is the formation of product, that is water. So that means this reaction is only possible because of the catalyst here, that is platinum. So we can conclude that the reaction is taking place or accelerated by the catalyst. That is the activity of a catalyst. So what is an activity of a catalyst? It is the ability of a catalyst to increase the rate of a chemical reaction. Is called as the activity of a catalyst. So we can say it is the ability of the catalyst. And which ability? To increase the rate of the reaction. That is called as activity of a catalyst. Let us discuss selectivity of a catalyst. Let us take the examples here, the equations which is shown here. In this reaction, the two reactants are carbon monoxide and hydrogen. In the first reaction, in the second reaction and in third reaction. In all these reactions, reactants are same, that is carbon monoxide and hydrogen. But look at the product here. In the first case, it is an aldehyde formation. In the second case, it is a hydrocarbon formation, and in the third case, there is an alcohol formation. That means same reactants are giving different products. So why it is happen so? Why the same reactants are giving different product? Look at the equation carefully. What is difference in this which is highlighted? That is catalysts are different. That means the same reactant can give different product when the different catalysts are used. That means who is actually deciding here which product to get? That is actually catalysts are directing the reaction. That means which product is formed. Actually, who is deciding here? The catalyst is actually deciding. So what we can say that catalysts are actually catalysts are directing the reactant for a particular product. So that ability is called as selectivity. That means selective product. So selectivity of a catalyst is the ability of a catalyst to direct a reaction to a particular product. That means particular catalyst gives particular product with a particular reaction. That is called as selectivity of a catalyst. That means selecting a particular product by the catalyst. So these are the two important features we have discussed. That is activity of a catalyst and selectivity of a catalyst. Activity is the ability to increase the rate of the reaction, and selectivity is the ability of a catalyst to direct the reaction to a particular product. So I think these two important features are clear to you, and the questions are usually asked on this one: what is the activity of a catalyst, or what is the selectivity of a catalyst? So you can predict the questions from this area also. So this is all about the activity and selectivity of a catalyst. That is the two important features we have discussed. So in the next video, we'll be discussing on the further concept. So this is all about the important features. Okay. Thank you everyone.